Welcome to Understanding Salesforce Architecture, a deeper dive. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts related to Salesforce architecture, breaking it down into easily digestible pieces. After watching this video, you'll be able to define key terms related to the Salesforce architecture, explain at least one use case for Salesforce APIs. Let's start with the basics. What is the Salesforce architecture, and why is it so special? Here are the key takeaways. Salesforce is a cloud company, residing in a trusted multi-tenant cloud. The Salesforce platform is the foundation, powered by metadata and enriched with data services, AI, and robust APIs. All apps, including pre-built offerings and custom apps, sit on top of the platform. Integration is the name of the game, with platform technologies embedded in everything. It's crucial to understand some key terms: trust, multi-tenancy, metadata, API. Salesforce operates like an apartment building in the cloud. Your company has its space, but you share resources with neighbors, from small businesses to large corporations. This is called multi-tenancy, and it ensures that all customers, regardless of size, access the same computing power and core features. Metadata is the magic sauce that makes Salesforce work efficiently. It's data about data, and it's all about structure. Your org's configurations, customizations, and code are all metadata. It gives your org structure, helping you collect, store, and manage information effectively. The Application Programming Interface, or API, is the connector that makes software communicate. Your data and metadata are API-enabled, giving Salesforce flexibility and allowing you to build creative solutions for your company. So, what's a use case for Salesforce APIs? They enable you to go beyond traditional business software and craft unique solutions tailored to your company's needs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.